Your quest at this time, in drawing down these communications as initiations, is the difference betwixt telepathy and imprinting. Whilst these are most intertwined, let us present these as the next catalysations for your cellular memory cascade process. Telepathy, as we have presented as key locational frequency telepathy transference, is receiving of data through energetic flow. It is a receiving of input. Imprinting is as the copy machine, if you will. Indeed, data is received, yet this is not transference as flow, but transference as experiential data utilized to shape that which you are. It is a molding of self into new self, and the data stream remains within you, as you, and becomes all that you are. The conduit receives the data as incoming stream, whereas the physically incarnated human vehicle, or the soul system as plasmic template for DNA expression, takes that which is presented as itself. It is a copy or duplicate energy match, rather than a stream of frequency to decode. If we were to present as a transmission an example of telepathy through the visual catalyst of the conduit as a field of coloured crops, it would be as thus. Yellow, red and blue DNA structures alongside fertile soil and grasses present catalysts directly to the DNA as flame letter presentation. Yet within the blue, as Blu-ray activation, we can see one purple or violet strand, and we know when this is seen that this is an activation of the corona gateway, known widely as crown chakra. If we were to present as a transmission an example of imprinting using that same visual catalyst of the conduit as a field of coloured crops, it would be thus as this. Yellow wheat or corn formation, red wheat or corn formation, blue wheat or corn formation, with one lone violet wheat or corn formation, green leaves, green grass, calling this in as code to hold as a crystal gene or quartz key into the next phase of evolution as all that is me. The difference is most subtle, but one is a flow by bearing witness to what is seen and allowing that as catalyst, trigger or activation. The other is taking on board what is seen as part of one's coded inventory, carried with you as you. Whilst the imprinted code remains forever a catalyst, it is matched with multiple other catalysts within the experiential reality of the incarnated human soul or soul not yet incarnated, new inception or ancient master avatar individualized soul. The imprinting becomes something new or holds the potential to do so, whereas the telepathy is communication from one point to another point. Utilizing the node points as aspects of the key locational, as the points of perspective and communication receiver portals, if you will, then one can choose to imprint if one wishes to do so. This would be akin to utilizing the visual of a field of coloured crops as catalyst to both the message and code held within the DNA itself, as the quartz key is thus such. This is the trigger to cellular memory cascade. We are the white-winged collective consciousness of 9. I am just so happy to be able to announce to you that my new book is available. The Diamond Codex and the Quartz Key, accessing the accelerated Stargate system through crystalline transformation of the genetic code. What does it mean to transmute one's DNA from carbon-based to crystalline within the context of spiritual enlightenment and physiological evolution? Practical templates for photonic light gene expression, alchemical unification, and light body activation are provided within this channeled transmission, delivering this codex at a time within humanity's awakening and expansion when synchronicity is abundant. The mysteries of the accelerated Stargate system as an intelligent living infinity structure call the starseeds of Earth to remember why they are incarnated here and what they came here to do. The downloads, epiphanies, and realizations that will organically come to each starseed as they immerse themselves within this sacred text are catalysts for those memories. Introducing Dreamwalker, the story, presented through my interdimensional dialogue with the monadic light structure that is the white-winged collective consciousness of 9. This book has been such an absolute delight and joy to transcribe from the 9, and I truly hope you enjoy reading it. Available in paperback, hardcover, and Kindle.